back. Ballot triumphed over bullet in the first phase of elections in Jammu and Kashmir, and the second phase is also going the same way. Kashmir has unanimously come out and voted out terror in a large majority. It's a strong voter turnout in the second phase. In focus is Handwara, where former separatist turned politician Sajjad Lone is contesting. Times now caught up with him soon after he cast his ballot.
It is a challenge. The margin out here will be the highest in Kashmir Valley.
Very interestingly, from other districts compared to that, Kupwara is reporting a very high turnout. Even here, since morning, people have come. Does that mean voting is high, or does that mean voting for Sajjad Lone is high?
Well, you see, to be able to inspire people to come out, you need a hero. People don't come out for a villain. Apart from the boycott factor, one of the factors of low polling is the presence of a lot of villains in the political landscape that you have. So I think they have a hero.
Are you banking upon your father's popularity also? It is home.
You can't accuse me of being my father's son. I am his son.
That is going to perhaps influence the voters.
Of course, why not? Of course, I'm his son. That's why they vote for him.
Okay.
They vote for me. And plus the younger generation. That is the new gains, is the younger generation, of course.
And finally, are we looking at an alliance with the BJP with you?
Look, after polls, and we are open to alliance with anybody. Why do you single it out to one party? But we are not desperate to get into the seat of power.
Finally, NC is being very confident against you. They say their MLA, Chaudhry Ramzan, is very confident. Why would then people vote for you?
Look, I'll tell you one thing. Let Umar Saab find a safe seat first, then we talk about it.
That was Sajjad Lone speaking. Meanwhile, there were a few incidents of violence that were reported, but that hasn't stopped the people of Jammu and Kashmir from coming out and casting their vote. Even in very, very inclement and adverse conditions, it's very cold there, they didn't seem to be deterred. Pooja Shali now joins us live. Pooja, we will play out what the people of Jammu and Kashmir had to say in just a bit after we have a quick chat with you. How has the voter turnout picked up? Not much time left. We're counting down perhaps to the last hour now of voting.
Well, definitely a good news there. In fact, until 3 p.m., Kupwara has reported a stellar 80% turnout. In fact, specifically Handwara, from where I am reporting, which is the constituency for Sajjad Lone, has reported, in fact, has touched 50% as well. So certainly, despite a poll boycott, despite other issues, even of weather, and including some threats coming from several other quarters, the public has decided to come out and vote. It is victory of the people, whoever really wins. But considering politically also, it's not been easy. We've had a political blame game coming from all quarters. Sajjad Lone also his share of claims coming against the PDP and the NC. It remains to be seen who wins. But here in Kashmir today, second phase of polling, consecutive series now showing that people have decided to come forth and use their voting rights. Back to you.
Pooja, do stay on with us. We'll play out some of the reactions of people coming through in Jammu and Kashmir across the various constituencies.
जी कुपवाड़ा बहुत बैकवर्ड है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कुपवाड़ा बहुत बैकवर्ड है. हम चाहते हैं कि डेवलपमेंट हो जाए इधर. यहाँ बहुत से लोग पढ़े लिखे हैं, बहुत चेंज हम चेंज लाना चाहते हैं इधर.
दिक्कत विक्कत कोई नहीं है, ये तो हक है वोट डालने का. हाँ,
मसले क्या है यहाँ पे आपको?
ये अपने मुल्क ठीक तरह रखना है.
महसूस कर रहे हैं?
डर महसूस नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम जानते हैं कि यहाँ जमहूरियत है. हम इसलिए वोट डालने के लिए आए हैं कि हमारा जो गांव है, जो हम जिस मंदिर को हम सिलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, मतलब कम से कम हमारे इलाका कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी जो दूसरा है, इसकी तरक्की होनी चाहिए.
ये बताइए, कोई डर महसूस हो?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
कोई यहाँ पे क्योंकि बाइकआउट कॉल भी है बाकी?
नहीं, बिल्कुल बाइकआउट कॉल कुछ भी नहीं है.
यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं,
कोई बाइकआउट नहीं.
सर कोई डर नहीं महसूस. हमको जो नया एमएलए बनाना है, वो हमारे इंशाल्लाह ताला जरूर ये अपील सुनेगा. इंशाल्लाह ताला हमारी बहुत भरपूर खिदमत करेगा. सर
अपने लिए वोट डालना है और किसी के लिए नहीं. ना दबाव में आए हम, किसी के लिए नहीं.
बेरोजगारी है यहाँ, पानी नहीं, बिजली नहीं, और बहुत सारी चीज हमारे पास मैसर नहीं है. इसलिए हम बदलाव को वोट देना चाहते हैं.
हमें कोई थ्रेट नहीं है, क्योंकि मैंने पहली बार जिंदगी में वोट डाला है.
A lot of youngsters there, Pooja. So people from all walks of life, especially the youth that have turned out to vote, and they have all, it cutting across. They say we want the real issues addressed. We are voting for change, and we are voting for ourselves.
Well, certainly participation of youth is what is, in fact, their enthusiasm is extremely incredible. These are people who've decided to vote today. Let's just, in fact, talk to some of them. जो मुद्दे हैं, इतने पोल बॉयकॉट रहा, एक तरह से थ्रेट्स भी आए हैं. आप जब आज वोट किए तो किस तरह का मुद्दा आप लेके चले? डेवलपमेंट, किस तरह का चेंज आप चाहते हैं?
नहीं, एक्चुअली यूथ आज इसलिए निकला है कि वो चेंज चाहते हैं, लोगों को एम्पावरमेंट करना चाहते हैं. हर जवान को उसके हुकूक को पता चलना चाहिए कि वो क्या चाहता है, उसे वोट से क्या मिलेगा. दैट्स वाई कि लोग आ रहे हैं, वोट दे रहे हैं. और सभी इसलिए वोट दे रहे हैं कि कुछ नया होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आज तक जो भी हुआ है सरकार ने कुछ भी नहीं किया है. चाहे वो PDP थी, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस थी, बहुत ही लोगों का मतलब दम घुट रहा था उस हुकूमत में. इसलिए लोग कुछ नया चाहते हैं. दैट्स वाई के हमने वोट डाला है.
कुपवारा का जो है 80% का लेवल इनफैक्ट परसेंटेज टच हुआ है, एंड इनफैक्ट इवन हंदवारा इज टच्ड 50. व्हाट इज द रीजन? कुपवारा has traditionally been a high voter turnout, but why again this year?
Well, I would put it like this: it's a transformation of whole system. We are thinking in terms of making a dynamic change in the whole system. Our leadership is well capable enough to make this change, and we are here to erupt all this corrupted system out of the society. The high percentage means that it is in our favor. The high although we have been voting in high percentage previously.
So the change for development, the change from corrupt system, as you can see, these are the issues that are bothering Kashmiris.